In Singapore, manpower is expensive. According to various industry insights, companies that adopt automation have achieved significant cost savings, up to 40% in operating costs, translating to over 2,000 Singapore dollars per staff position monthly in some sectors. That's based on an average monthly salary of 5,000 Singapore dollars. But what if ticketing, check-in, payment, and even queue management could all run on a single kiosk system? Not long ago, MB9 designed a fully automated ticketing kiosk for the National Heritage Board. Integrated payments, NRIC scanning, QR ticketing, all handled by one machine built from scratch, deployed in Singapore. While we don't have the board's exact savings, here's a reasonable estimate. A typical manual ticketing setup requires 2 to 4 staff. At 2,000 Singapore dollars saved per person per month, that's 48,000 to 96,000 Singapore dollars saved every year from just one set of machines. And this isn't just local. MB9 has also deployed kiosks for Hong Kong Museum, Taipei KFC, Hong Kong University Hospital. From flagship stores to self-checkout supermarkets. From hotel self-check and kiosk to mall wayfinder, we have done it all. MB9 kiosks are helping businesses across Asia cut costs, shorten queues, and improve customer experience. If you're still relying on manual processes, you're leaving money on the table. Want to explore how technology can help you cut costs and boost profits? Let's talk. MB9, smarter tech, stronger business. Since 2008,